How do we make this kale actually taste good? Today, we're gonna actually make this kale taste good. How do we get this nice, hard-looking kale to be crispy and savory and make it taste good for your taste buds so you can keep on eating it, and it'll make you even healthier. So the secret to this being very good instead of very disgusting is the oven. Yes, you heard me right, the oven. You know why the oven? Because it's like your best friend, or even like your grandmama. So we're gonna show you how to do this by seasoning it up and adding a splash of olive oil. It's gonna taste really yummy in the tummies. You'll thank me later for this. So what we're gonna do to prepare for the baked kale is you take a pan, and we're gonna take some tin foil out right here. And normally what we would do with the tin foil is take it out, rip the page, is you put it here and you poke at it, right? But instead, a good hack, you flip over, put this sheet on top of the pan, like so, and there you go. It's measured out. And then, guaranteed, the tin foil will fit perfectly into the pan, like so. So next, on to the next thing is we take some kale, so come over here with me. I'm gonna bend over and search for my kale. Voila, right here. So we're gonna take some of our kale in this bag, chopped already, pre-cut, drizzle. Just drop it in the pan like so here. All right. And then we smother it around. So what we want to do, guys, is now we're gonna take some olive oil. So we're gonna take some olive oil, some light drizzle on here, like so. Generous to light drizzle. And then take your garlic and you just shake generously, just like so. So you have this. Now, make sure my hands are clean. So we're gonna wash our hands, just so you all know that my hands are clean. So scrub, scrub, scrub. And then you take these clean hands, right? Make sure our hands are dried off. So, dry our hands. Take our fresh, clean hands, and then we're gonna mix. So we're gonna toss it all together so that everything is mixed balancedly and equally. And so now, once everything has been mixed together, and you spread it out on this pan here, ready to go. How do we bake the kale? Well, I forgot, so I'm gonna ask Alexa. Hey, Alexa, how long to bake kale for?
It is recommended to bake kale in the oven for 15 minutes to 20 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit.
We're gonna bake the kale for 375 degrees. Come over here, we'll show you how to set the oven. So here, we turn the nozzle here to bake, and we set the temperature at 375. So right now it's preheating. We gotta make sure that our stove oven is preheating. Once this goes away, then we put this onto the top rack, and Alexa said for 15 to 20 minutes. So I normally put it around 20 minutes or so. And you could eyeball it, 16, 17, but I like it, for me, personally, very crunchy, because that makes me want to eat more. So right now, we're going to take this kale and put it in the oven on top. And remember, set it at 375 and timer for 20 minutes. Oh, too much. Let's go down. And there you go. So let's wait and see. All done. Now it's ready to eat, but you want to let it cool down for a few minutes, otherwise you may burn yourself. But it smells very flavorful, very like nutty, fragrant, a dash of garlic, smell, scents. You don't even need to put salt. You could put a little bit of salt if you wanted to add a little bit more flavor, but this is the healthiest way that I feel gives your taste buds a sense of aliveness when you eat this.
Let me try. This is the ultimate test. Oh my god, crunchy.
You hear the sounds too.
So much better than this guy. This raw kale, no good. This one, this is where it's at.
And you can sprinkle this on anything on top, and it makes it very tasty. For example, pasta. What else can we put it on?
Soup.
Soup, yep. Just about anything.
So this big kale gets the thumbs up.
We invite you to comment, leave a little dirty something. I know you guys can't wait to do that. And remarks, maybe some mean remarks, or even share a few kind words. We don't mind that. So love, light, and happiness from our small Carissa to our big Al.
Alright, see you guys soon.
Bye.